In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a border around text in Google Sites. Adding a border is a great way to make important information stand out, whether it's a warning, a tip, or a key takeaway. Google Sites doesn't have a built-in bordered text box option, but you can still do it easily with a small piece of code. I'll walk you through it step by step. First, open your Google site in edit mode. Make sure you're on the page where you want the bordered text to appear. You should see the usual Google Sites layout, with your page in the center and an insert panel on the right-hand side. On that right-hand side, look for the option labeled Embed. It's usually below options like text box and images. Go ahead and click on Embed. This lets you insert custom content into your site. A window will pop up with two tabs, one for a URL and one for embed code. You want the second option, so click on Embed Code. This is where we'll paste the code that creates the border and the text inside it. Now click into the large empty field where the code goes. Make sure your cursor is inside that box and it's ready for you to paste. Next, go to the link in the description of this video to get your code. That link will take you to a page where the HTML code snippet is provided for you. You don't need to write any code yourself, it's already prepared. Select all of that code from the page and copy it. Then switch back to your Google Sites tab, to the Embed Code window, and paste the code into the field. You should now see the full HTML code sitting in that box. Inside that code, look for the default text that says, "This looks more like a proper border content block with a border." Highlight just that sentence and replace it with your own text. This is the content that will appear inside the bordered box on your site. So type exactly what you want your visitors to see. Once you've updated the text, click on Next. Google Sites will generate a preview of how this embedded content will look on your page. Take a quick look to make sure it appears correctly and that your text is spelled the way you want. If everything looks good, click on Insert. The bordered text block will now appear on your page. You can drag it to reposition it or adjust its width like any other element in Google Sites. When you're happy with the layout, don't forget to publish your site so your changes go live.